Rich, golden, and bursting with flavour. This fragrant curry combines roasted cauliflower with crispy chickpeas in a creamy, spicy sauce that will warm you from the inside out. Preheat your oven. Then bring a pot of salted water to boil. Drain and rinse the chickpeas in a sieve. Now cut the cauliflower into florets like small trees, halving any large ones. Add them to a tray lined with parchment paper and set aside. Then thinly slice the onion. Heat a drizzle of oil in a frying pan. Once hot, add the onion and season with salt and pepper. Fry, stirring occasionally until golden and softened, then set aside. Drizzle the cauliflowers with oil, season with salt and pepper. Then toss to coat and spread them out in a single layer. Put half the chickpeas on another baking tray. Drizzle with oil and season to taste. When the oven is hot, roast the cauliflower and chickpeas until golden brown. Once cooked, remove them from the oven. Drizzle the honey over the chickpeas and set the trays aside. Pour the rice into the boiling water. Once back to boiling, turn the heat down and cover with the lid. Cook for 10 minutes, then covered but off heat for another 10 minutes. Meanwhile, add the cooked onion to a blender. Add the garlic cloves, ginger, Indian-style spice mix, and water. Blend until smooth. Heat a drizzle of oil in the pan. Once hot, add the curry paste and cook. Stir constantly until nice and fragrant. Add the mustard seeds to the pan. Stir together and cook until the mustard seeds start to pop. Add the passata, vegetable stock, sugar, and water. Add the remaining chickpeas. Bring to the boil and simmer until the sauce is thickened. Once thickened, add the spinach to the curry, a handful at a time, until wilted and piping hot. Now stir in the butter until melted. Then stir the roasted cauliflower into the sauce. Time to serve. Fluff up the rice with a fork and divide between bowls. Top with the curry and sprinkle over those crispy chickpeas. Drizzle over the yogurt to finish. Curry heaven served up fresh. Now dig in and let those flavors dance.